Fun and games for 100.
Gamers can use this special headset to enter a file.
Oculus.
Or you're not raising all your hand.
Mr. Cup, your hand went up first.
VR. What is VR?
Virtual reality.
What is virtual reality? Team Spice. Category and point value.
Hey, excuse me.
Fun and games.
What? How much?
What is the name of the famous robot dog created by Hush? Like, go ahead.
Robot dog? Is it that? Robot dog?
Your answer ready? Well done. Flintstones. Yeah.
Alright, well,
This is getting agitated here.
This one I get an answer.
Or they never raise all their hand.
But wait, Miss is not on your side?
Always remember, friends will carry you, never believe us.
So what is your answer?
Huh?
What is your answer? Robot dog. What is spot? So he just lost 200.
That's okay now.
So we go across the team Hots.
How to play it. Education. So I will step out now.
Education for 100. This lets you search the entire internet to find information on websites.
What is Google?
What is Google?
Microsoft.
You need to decide which answer you're going with. What is a search engine? Google. We will take that.
You will take Google because Google is a search engine. Alright, so let's go.
Alright,
I got you.
Healthcare for 200. These robots are designed to perform tasks like taking temperatures, measuring heart rates, and assisting patients in hospitals.
Think before you answer. It should be able to not get wrong either, but okay.
Answer.
Alright, agriculture for 200. You chose already. Developed by the university. Yes. I guess it's weed. Not that kind of weed.
What is this, bro?
Okay, like it's not because I guess so.
Developed by the University of Sydney, this autonomous robot assists in weed control by identifying and spraying herbicides selectively.
So, what do you mean? Remind me. You give your answer?
No?
Okay, so we will answer after the answer because this one interesting. You all know?
You know the answer to it?
No, he doesn't.
You want to give it up?
Yes, they give it up. Wait, no, John, put on your hand in Jesus' name.
Okay, but?
What is a weed bot?
There was a National Geographic class, huh?
I think we all give them the points there.
The bell will be rung in the next 2 minutes.
A shame.
The
That is a
bell will
good
be rung in the next 2 minutes.
Well, you heard how she decided for that? If it's a robot and it's taken care of weed, it must be a weed bot. Who is the teacher? Weed. Who is the teacher?
Team Hot, you're on.
Choose one.
Education 200.
Oh, you're yesterday? We don't tell you don't go education.
No, I didn't show you that. I go ahead. Better go ahead.
Healthcare for 300.
Robotic device use for physics. Oh my goodness. A treadmill?
What else have you added?
What's a treadmill?
Miss just said people will take you and leave you, and you went with Miss? No, that answer stays. That answer stays. Physical therapeutic, but what is a robotic rehabilitation device? Yes, we will take that.
And not a treadmill? Where the judge? You want to discuss this? A treadmill is a device?
Team Spice, you're on.
We're not playing anymore.
Fun and games for?
Okay, this last question, guys.
Roblox, what is the name of a popular robot character with a
Spreadsheet and happy face. Jordan! Look, Jordan! Square face and happy. Jordan! That's it, Jordan! Okay. Answer who get somebody to chant Miss Lewis. Yes, Magnesh. Magnesh is there too. Michael. Robloxian or Robloxian.
What is Roblox?
Fred, give the boy a chant. Know what? But now it's listening to you. I see your head and happy all the time. Alright, so.
I was thinking vehicle.
Okay. It doesn't mean. What turn? We are higher order. We are secondary school.
This is a very sore loser.
Yeah, you're primary school.
This is a very sore loser. The team is at
No, but it was fun. Was
minus
it
100. And she's a very sore loser right now.
It's called negative 100. It's important.
So, Miss, this is it?
Yeah, that's it.